Oh my God! Touchdown! Fukuoka! Hep, hep!
Hooray! Yung maramdaman yung init niya.
Oh, init.
Here's everything we ate in Fukuoka, Japan.
So yeah, for this vlog, don't worry. I will guide you through the whole process again. So ayan ang Fukuoka Tower, mga bestie ko. Wow! From flying in Manila to Fukuoka, the whole airport process, yung Fukuoka process, to arriving in Fukuoka, getting around the city, checking in our hotel. So abangan nyo sa mga next kabanata. Ano ang sarap?
Obviously, from the look of my face, this is not a very good day for me.
Tara na, let's go mga bestie girls! Hello mga bestie Ano to? Girls! Hello! Welcome to another vlog. Totoo ako, hindi ko na alam kung pang ilang vlog ko na to. Medyo nagiging mas consistent na po tayo. And I think I'm getting the hang of it. But I think I'm getting more used to it. Kasi sa totoo lang for the past vlogs, medyo challenging talaga, especially yung flow ng vlog. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba yun, parang gusto ko i-share lahat pero hindi mo alam kung paano mo siya i-organize kasi sometimes you vlog, sometimes you don't. So minsan kung kulang ng isang part, parang weird na yung flow, gets? And at the same time, the editing is really, sabi ko sana a pain in the ass, pero you get what I mean. So, ayan. But right now, ayan, nakapag-post na naman po tayo ng another vlog. So, yay! Thank you so much mga bestie ko for your support and still here mga bestie ko watching my vlog. So, natutuwa lang talaga ako. Actually, I feel more connected to you guys here on YouTube. I don't wanna compare, but comparing it-ish sa Instagram or TikTok, mas ramdam ko yung connection natin here on YouTube, especially when you guys comment. Parang ramdam ko na parang, wow, you really know the story of this vlog. Alam mo yung napagdaanan ko. So, alam mo, I feel more connected, basically. Gets nyo? So, yes, thank you mga bestie ko for being here. So, anyway, welcome to a new vlog. As you can see in the title below, we will be going to Fukuoka. Yes, for today's video, magpo-Fukuoka, Japan po tayo. This is actually not my first time. It's my second time. But during my first time, that was actually years ago, 11 years ago, 12 years ago, I think. This was actually my first international. First ko ba? Or parang one of the first after I passed the CPA board exam. So yes po, sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, I was actually a CPA, Certified Public Accountant. And I spent most of my years studying accountancy. And then after 2 years of practicing accountancy, I quit my job and here I am, traveling and creating content for you. So, ayun, yan actually yung first sa mga out-of-the-country trips ko. Maikli pa yung hair ko. And now, I am coming back! And this time, as a 30-year-old tita, baby girl pa ako nun eh. So yeah, for this vlog, don't worry. I will guide you through the whole process again. From flying in Manila to Fukuoka, the whole airport process, yung Fukuoka process, to arriving in Fukuoka, getting around the city, checking in our hotel. So abangan nyo sa mga next kabanata, segundo at minuto ng itong vlog eh. So tara na, let's go mga bestie girls! Before anything else, pakita ko lang pala sa inyo ang aking layover room here in Manila. So mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, I am actually living in Siargao already. So most of the time, when I have a layover here in Manila, I usually book a room. And this time, ayun, pakita ko sa inyo. Huwag niyo ko judge. Ako kasi mga bestie ko, I really value practicality. Tulugan ko lang naman siya. And late na rin ako naka-arrive kagabi. Then maaga naman ako aalis ngayon. So tulugan ko na lang siya. So I don't really wanna spend so much for a room. Eh, kaya ko naman gamitin yung pera na yun on other useful things. Kung kaya ko naman, and okay naman, decente naman yung room, why not, diba? Kaya sobrang liit lang talaga niya. Medyo nasobrahan sa liit. But ayan lang siya, medyo struggle sa luggages kung bubuksan mo kasi hindi talaga siya kasya. So, what I do is, tinaas ko siya dito sa kama. After I use everything na, ganon. So, anyway, let's go! Tara na sa airport! We will be flying with Cebu Pacific this time, mga bestie ko. For everyone to know, this is actually a sponsored trip hosted by Cebu Pacific. Thank you so much, Cebu Pacific, pa!
Ayan, nakaraos na po tayo sa check-in process mga bestie ko. Right now, I'm currently here in Shakey's kasi gutom na po ako. Hindi pa po ako nagde-dinner and nagbe-breakfast. So before anything else, kailangan ko po ng ating energizers. There's actually a lot of restaurants on the second floor on the check-in area. Taas na kayo ng escalator. Then ayan, may Shakey's, may Jollibee, merong Uncle John's. Kain muna tayo kasi gutom na po ako. I already arrived 3 hours early from my flight. Yan po actually ang pinaka-ideal na arrival time para at least you have enough time pumila, mag-check-in, pumila ulit for immigration and all this, airport processes that I will be discussing with you quickly later. Alam ko, lagi ko tong dinidiscuss every time na lumilipad ako on every vlog para at least hindi nyo nabalikan yung mga previous vlogs ko. Discuss ko na lang din here. Right now, if you could see the whole airport, ang dami pong tao. Ang pila ng Cebu Pacific, mahahaba. So talaga, sakto talaga na 3 hours early po ang aking arrival. For our flights mga bestie ko, we actually booked of course through Cebu Pacific. Meron po silang flights going to Fukuoka from Manila on a daily basis. Non-stop po to, direkta. I'll show you an average round trip fare on this side. Ayan. Itong mga prices na to mga bestie ko, wala pang mga add-ons ito, no? So basically, talagang fare pa lang. Aside from the flights, you also need to pay for your travel tax. Pwede nyo yan mabayaran during the time that you are booking your flight. So Cebu Pacific, they're actually also a platform to receive your travel tax payment para at least walang hassle. You can also pay online sa mismong eGov. This app, you also use this for your e-travel that I will be discussing later. You can also pay over the counter pagdating nyo sa airport. So flights, travel tax, visa, Japan visa. So we Filipino travelers, mga turista, kailangan po natin ng short-term visa. Then ito mga bestie ko, ilang beses na ako nag-Japan ha. As you can see, yung pinaka-first vlog ko nga dito, Japan. But I actually haven't experienced this yet. We are instructed to fill this up. It's a Japan web QR code for Japan entry. Before flying mga bestie ko, you have to register on the Visit Japan web. Ilalagay ko yung link on the description box below for easy access. There is also a manual how to set it up. Andyan din yung link below. After this mga bestie ko, you will be receiving a QR code. So yan yung gagamitin nyo in the immigration sa Japan. Hihingin nila yan. After getting the Japan QR code, you also have to get an e-travel. So e-travel mga bestie ko, diniscuss ko din to sa mga previous vlogs ko. This is very important and required on all international na travels nyo, departure and arrivals.
What if I'm just concealing that I'm waiting for a star to fall? Won't you do me a favor? Won't you hit me up, baby? All this time I'm looking at my telephone.
So yun mga bestie ko, kasama ko na po ang magugulo kong mga kaibigan. Kasi Archie and Kokoy. New characters for today's video. The immigration is actually really, really fast. Siguro sanay na yung immigration dito. And seeing my passport na, ay, pa-travel naman to lagi. Huwag na lang ako magtanong. So hindi talaga sila nagtanong sa akin at all. Like, tintakan lang yung aking passport. Yun na. But although sa mga past na immigration experience ko, may mga tanong sila mga bestie ko. Usually, kailan ako babalik sa Pilipinas? Ano yung trabaho ko? Saang city ako pupunta? Kung may kasama ko yun. Mga ganon. So, yay! May kasama na naman po tayo for today's vlog. Mas energetic ako pag may kasama.
You just put my mind right now.
So, may mga new characters added po tayo for today's video. Hello! Okay ka na? Ano ka na? So, we have here Kuya Chuck and Joe. And si Mami Martha. A naman dyan. Oh my gosh, boarding na po kami. We're super excited. This is gonna be a different trip. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hep hep!
Hooray!
Hep hep! Hooray! Hep hep! Hooray! Oh my god, let's go! Alam mo. So we already boarded the plane. Si OA, para first time mag-plane, ano? We're just really excited. I'm super excited talaga. Like, hindi ko alam kung nararamdaman niya yung excitement ko, but I'm really, really, really excited because first time in a long time and I'm gonna be with my besties. Ang Team Taravel, point half.
Point half.
1.5. Oo. Ang Coron edition, naligaw po ang El Nido.
Naligaw ka.
Naligaw ako.
Kasi namin pagtulungan ka.
Kasi mga bestie ko, ang Team Travel, nag-start actually sa isang Kulok Mystery Trip. Dalawang group yan. Isang El Nido, which is kasama ko doon, and Coron. Itong mga kasama ko right now,
Coron.
ayan, mga Team Coron.
Winner. Mapait.
Pero kami po ang nanalo actually.
Ikaw lang.
Lita bagay. Abangan po ako sa mga kasunod na kabanata. Pagtutulungan po ako ng Team Coron, dito nyo na po makikita ang kailanang totoong kulay. Pag mamaya, pag in-end ko tong vlog na to at umiiyak, alam nyo na. If I could do it all over again, I would. Ganun pa siya. Tapos pawis na pawis siya din. Pinagtatawanan nila yung crying session ko sa Creator World. Oo. I think the total travel time from Manila to Fukuoka, excluding the time difference, is 4 hours. So habang naghihintay mga bestie ko, sabihan ko na din kayo ng mga quick tips para smooth ang journey nyo going to, I mean, this is actually applicable to all your international trips as well. So, mga bestie ko, online check-in. You can actually check-in online as early as 72 hours before your flight para at least, again, pagdating nyo sa airport, baggage drop na lang iintindihin nyo. And actually, based on my experience, mas shorter yung line for baggage drop compared to online check-in. Minsan kasi hiwala yung dalawa. Yes? Gusto pa ng exposure. Oh, hep hep? Hep hep?
Hooray.
If you're going international, I really suggest for you guys to purchase additional baggage allowance. Sa normal rates ng Cebu Pacific, right here, ayan, excluding pa po ang baggage allowance here. Ang provided lang na mga basic fares is 7 kilo hand carry luggage for free. So, for me, hindi siya sapat, especially if you wanna go shopping or syempre pang OOTD, diba? Might as well purchase online during the time that you're gonna book your flights. It's cheaper comparing it to purchasing your baggage allowance over the counter. It's actually 70% lower comparing it to the over-the-counter fees. So, imagine, di ba, malaki talaga yung masasave mo. For your information, mga bestie ko, I'll just put yung mga, ayan, sample rates per baggage allowance. Then, another one, hindi to masyadong sikat sa mga travelers, mga bestie ko, but I really highly recommend for you guys to purchase a travel insurance kasi we never know. Beginning of this year pa lang, ang dami ng mga nangyayari. Knock on the wood. Ang dami ng nangyayari sa mga, di ba? Your travel insurance can cover medical expenses, yung mga baggage, important documents loss, mga emergencies, and for Cebu Pacific, they actually have a travel insurance for as low as 411 pesos for international flights. And yung coverage sa mga bestie ko, I'll just put it here on the screen. So mga bestie ko, add-ons na rin just in case if you want your flight to be the most comfortable, the most ideal, you can actually also customize your flight in Cebu Pacific. So, add-ons include seat selection. So, meaning, pwede kang pumili ng seats mo if you're an aisle girly or if you want yung window seat para maganda yung view nyo, pwede nyo yung gawin for Cebu Pacific. Imagine, 4-hour journey din naman to, diba? So, might as well make sure na really comfortable talaga. Our flight is during the afternoon, so lunchtime siya. For your total convenience, might as well purchase your additional in-flight meals. So, ayan yung menu nila mga bestie ko. I'll just put it here. You can actually pre-order your meals for us the latest 24 hours. Yes. Latest 24 hours before your flights. Ayan, nadarating na po ang in-flight meal natin. Ayan. So, I ordered chicken and mushroom pasta. I-unbox po natin. Medyo mainit-init. Bakit siya nagsaslide? Wow. Ooh. Yeah. What did you guys get?
Mine is adobo.
Adobo.
Sony Angel.
Ay, Sony Angel. Unbox go. So, say hi po aming character for today's video for taste testing.
Hello. Hi po tayo.
Yung pagka-creamy ng pasta niya, parang pang Pilipino na cream.
And as the light starts
Touchdown, Fukuoka! Ayoko talaga ng suot ko mga beshi ko. But yes, mga beshi ko, we're finally here. Another country na na-tick off. Country. Sit area. Prefecture. You know what I'm saying? Na na-tick off na naman sa ating bucket list.
1, 2, 3. One more. Sige lang. Go. Okay, video.
Wow!
We're back.
We're back. Oy.
Watch that.
Her. Ayan. So here's the look of our private transfer. Hindi mo sure kung bus or van. Ang laki-laki. It's called Artista Van. Artista. Ay, ayun na pala ang artista. Oh, iba naman talaga. Hep hep.
Hooray!
I want you to just drop the bag in your room. Okay. And let's get back.
Ayan, so nakapag-check-in na kami. Later on, I'm gonna show you our room. Or tomorrow na lang pala. Tomorrow na lang because gabi na ngayon. So, nag-check-in lang kami. Then, we're already heading to our first ever dinner in Fukuoka. Fukuoka is very, very known for their Hakata ramen or ramen. It's the heart of
Origin.
the capital city of ramen.
The origin of Ichiran.
Origin daw to ng Ichiran, mga beshi ko. What I was saying, we are already making our way to our dinner, which is 5 minutes away lang from our hotel. And ayan na naman po ako, nasasalita na naman po ako at napapagod na at the same time. Later na ako magkwento. Itong pupuntahan namin mga bestie ko, as per kuya, 60 years na daw nag-ooperate. So I am very intrigued of what this place looks like, how yummy their ramen is. So excited! Weather check.
Ito, 23 degrees.
And how does it look like? How does it look like?
Medyo may
How does it feel like?
hangin, Pero medyo mainit.
Oo, medyo mainit siya.
Feels like the aircon is open but not in full blast.
Oo, parang naka 23 ganun. Or
But
bukas yung bintana.
You say sushi.
Sushi. Hello, ito naman. Ano naman pinagsasabi ko?
Parang cool lang, cool.
Ah,
Kasi yung samoy na sinasabi natin, cold pala.
daming alam ng Japanese nating friend.
Pag mainit at soy.
Pag hindi pa kayo nakaka-follow kay Archie, bakit? OMG, ito na po ang 60-year-old na restaurant. Original Hakata Ramen and Izakaya. Uma-uma. Since 1953. Say hi. Hi! So, ito ang seating peg namin. I love it. For your information mga bestie ko, ayan ang menu. Ito ang pinaka parang talagang bestseller nila. It's at 850. Pag gusto niya mas maliit, 650. Ayan, no, established 1941. A bowl of ramen inherited from Sanbaji, the first ramen store in Hakata. Check pa tayo ng ibang, ayan. Ayan, gusto ko to kasi may cheese. Then, ito yung mga a la carte meals nila. Yakitori grilled chicken. Tapos ito yung drinks. Ayan. So, di ba? Para ko ng PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for watching, guys. Okay, let's kampai ourselves! Kampai! Hey! Hep, hep! Hooray! So, when I say hep, hep, you say hooray. Hep, hep! Hooray! Hey! Okay, one more time. Hep, hep! Hooray! This is
Plum
wine with soda. May 3 pieces of ice siya.
Tapos may mga 27 bubbles. Served in a stainless glass.
Masoda. Bean sprawl with, how do you call it in Japanese? What's this dish? There's no name. No name. So wala palang name. Pinahirapan ko pa sila ate. Kuro-kuro chicken skin. So very special daw to kasi talagang ginigrill nila till it gets crispy. Sa Pilipinas, ang chicken skin talagang dili-deep fry, diba? Ito, ginigrill. Try natin. Alam, pero masarap. Masarap para siyang isaw na, hindi ko alam kung bakit.
na-relate ko sa isaw, pero it's really good. We have here the cheese yogurt. My favorite. So next is the mentaiko. It's so good.
Wow! So from the slum down.
The main character all the ramen, Hakata ramen. 60 years old ramen. Masarap siya. Although parang for me wala siyang wow.
Sobrang simple nung flavor.
At saka sa kinain natin kanina, very savory. Pang tanggal umay doon. Parang perfect talaga siya for a food ending. Okay, so before anything else, let me discuss with you mga bestie ko yung mga travel essentials or mga things to consider while traveling here in Fukuoka. Medyo mahaba-haba tong discussion na to, so if you guys wanna skip this part at medyo madaldal tayo, you can just go to this timeline. Ayan, may mga chapters naman over here. You can just, skip whatever part you wanna skip. So let's discuss first if anong maganda, money exchange, ATM, or credit card. So the local currency here in Japan is Japanese yen. Pro tip mga bestie ko, based on my experience, withdrawing is better than exchanging money over the counter. Especially when you use yung mga cards na may lowest forex exchange rate, like GCash card. I think based on majority na travelers prefer yung rates ng GCash card. I personally use BPI card. It also has a low forex exchange rate. Now, going to the option of using a credit card. I personally actually use credit card 99.5% here in Japan. I'm actually filming this video on my last day, and believe me when I say hindi po ako nag-withdraw. Gamit ko po ang card ko sa lahat. Convenience store, taxis, shopping, even yung mga entrance fees, pwede yung card. Yung GCash card, mga bestie ko, pwede rin to ha, pwede nyo rin siya gamitin. Accepted din siya. It actually has a good forex exchange rate din. Now, mga bestie ko, another essential to take note of is the mobile data. So, for me, mga bestie ko, I usually have my eSIM. Sobrang convenient kasi ng eSIM kasi you can even purchase it even before you fly to Japan. I-activate mo na siya before that. Then, paglapag mo sa Japan, meron ka ng internet agad. As in, literal na pag-land mo, pwede mo na ma-access yung data. So, di ba, mas very convenient. And you don't have to, remove the SIM or charge a Wi-Fi device. Another thing to consider is the power plugs. Ito po ang power plug dito sa Japan, mga bestie ko. So, make sure you bring an adapter if ever yung mga chargers nyo or yung mga saksakan nyo, hindi ganito. Voltage is 100V. So, may mga ibang gadgets na hindi compatible dito, mga bestie ko. Isa na po dyan yung Dyson. We're currently checked in here in Esperia Hotel, mga bestie ko. We were checked in very quickly. Thank you din sa Fukuoka team and Cebu Pacific team for helping us check in very efficiently. Then, ayan mga bestie ko, let me show you our room. Nag-iisa kami ng mga friendships ko, di ba? So, this is my solo room. It's giving very solo room for me. Okay naman siya. Comparing it to Japanese standard, mga bestie ko, I cannot say na malaki siya kasi or spacious siya kasi nahihirapan akong i-decide kung saan ko ilalagay yung luggage ko kasi maliit lang yung hallway. But it's already nice for me. If you wanna check their rates, it's actually available on Klook as well. Ayan yung rates. So, okay yung location namin, mga bestie ko. It's in Hakata because, again, it's 5 minutes away lang from Hakata Station. So, it's very convenient, especially for our itinerary because ang itinerary namin is more on going to other prefectures or using the train nga, ika nga. So, di ba? If ganito din yung plano nyo here in Fukuoka, which I actually feel ko may mga times talaga na mag-train kayo at pupunta sa ibang prefecture, then this area is ideal as well. Let's proceed na to our itinerary. Take note, mga bestie ko, this isn't your usual Fukuoka trip itinerary. It's a very different itinerary. Ang gagawin namin on the next days are actually exploring other prefectures that are near Fukuoka. So talagang isiskip natin yung basic Fukuoka tourist places to visit and we'll go on to the other off-the-beaten, unique itinerary na not everyone actually knows or not everyone actually have been. So let's go!
Good morning! Oh my God. Sobrang obvious yung mata ko. Namamaga. What the heck? Char. So, anyway, mga bestie ko, this is our first day here. First full day here in Fukuoka. I want to be honest with you. Obviously, from the look of my face, this is not a very good day for me. Hindi ako okay today. And last night, mga 3 a.m. na yata ako nakatulog. So, parang 4 hours lang yung tulog ko. And yeah, I don't want to dig into details kasi hindi naman necessary. But I just want to be honest para at least mabigyan ko kayo ng hustisya bakit ganito yung itsura ko. I hope hindi maapekto na aking energy. Of course, I will still do my best to show up and be the best calls Vidal as I can later. Ayoko rin malaman nila na ganito ako right now. May umiba. So, hopefully hindi nila makita. Paano kaya yan? Naglagay na kasi ko ng concealer. This is me showing up. Kahit parang gusto ko na lang humiga sa kama at umiyak ng buong umaga. Para laban. So, first full day today here in Fukuoka. It's currently 7:57 a.m. Nakagayak na ako. Mag-breakfast na lang kami. Then, our call time is 8:20 a.m. As mentioned earlier sa intro, our agenda will not be in the Fukuoka prefecture itself, but we will be going somewhere, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere na hindi here in Fukuoka. So, let's go. Dala mo yung 360 cam. Good morning! Ohio! Ohio gozaimasu! Gozaimasu. Ohio gozaimasu! Okay, go. So,
It's the map.
yes.
So just give you a little bit brief of Kyushu Island. This is the Kyushu Island, the third biggest island in the Japan. And then we arrived at the Fukuoka airport. Today we moved to Oita Prefecture.
So, ayun na nga mga bestie ko. Tulad na sinabi ni ate girl. From Fukuoka Prefecture, we're gonna be moving to Ay, na naman tayo. Nakalimutan na naman natin. Oita Prefecture. Oita.
Nag-iiba yung pag sinasabi mo kay Conzi.
Filipino, Oita Prefecture. And travel time is for 2 hours. So, alam na natin ang mangyayari ngayon as a tita. Matutulog tayo. Oo, actually ngayon ready na ako. Ang bigat pa rin ng mata ko. Parang ready na. So, see you later after 2 hours. Alright, 2 hours of travel is done, mga bestie girls, and we are now in Bamboo! Antok pa ako, nakatulog ako sa car, ay sa van. Kasi tulog na tulog daw ako, humihilik daw ako. Gano yung hilik? Paano yung hilik ko? Talaga? Dami yung grrr. Talaga? Oh my God! Hindi man lang yung oh my God, nakakahiya.
Yan yung pagod na pagod siya.
Oo. Anyway, we're already here in Beppo, mga bestie ko. Grabe, nakita niyo ba yung mga previous seconds of this video? Ang ganda ng view, di ba? It's giving Switzerland but in Japan. So, bestie, we are here in Beppo Island. Beppo Island? Island ba siya? It's actually one of Japan's most famous cities for hot springs or yung onsen mismo, with nearly 3,000 baths spreading around the city, mga bestie ko. As in, even yung mga kanal, may hot spring talaga. And for today, we will be visiting some of the hot springs of the Jigoku Meguri. Itong si Jigoku Meguri, it's called 7 Hells or 8 Hells in English. Unlike yung mga regular na hot springs, di ba? Usually, binababaran. Like, pwede kang maligo doon. Dito naman hindi kasi sobrang init nila. Sa 7 Hells na itong mga bestie ko, we will only be visiting 3 main ones. The Umi Jigoku, which is the Sea Hell, and also the Kamado Jigoku. Ang tawag naman here is the Cooking Pot Hell. So just in case you are wondering how much is the entrance fee, it's at 2,400 yen. So in order for you to go to the highlight of this place, you have to go through this, cutesy souvenir shop. Wow! Wow! It's massive! ayan. Another content creators and the So weather check, it's
Yan. Tingnan mo nakakapagod.
Ayan,
As a
oo.
person na pawisin pa, dapat comfortable ako sa suot. ko na
true.
to. Dalawang layers siya.
Lagi nilang sinasabi, hindi mainit, hindi malamig. Which is actually totoo. Kasi parang sobrang neutral lang niya. Para lang siyang may aircon sa bahay na hindi malamig. Ganong level. ₱85 Celsius. Pakainit. Ramdam mo yung init niya. Even from this point. So kung gusto niyo maramdaman kahit papano yung init niya dito.
Sauna lang.
Parang sauna, no? Perfect to pag winter.
Gusto nyo maramdaman yung init niya?
Yung init niya. This one naman, 100 Celsius. Ayan o. Oh. Hindi silang mga ano dito, ayan o, activities. Activities wherein you can dip your toes. Ayan, in these areas. Mainit din, for sure. So, pangtanggal libag. Wow! Did you see that? Ah! Ang laki niya. Para siyang swimming pool. Swimming pool. Lunch time! So we have here, ayan, local beef. Then, local chicken. Wow! This looks so good. So tara na, kumain na tayo at gutom na.
Here's everything we ate in Fukuoka, Japan. Here's everything we ate in Fukuoka, Japan. Here's everything we ate in Fukuoka, Japan. Kita po sa...
Don't judge me. Mga best ko, nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog kanina. Sobrang...
Kinalimutan niyo na kayo.
Tomorrow will be better. Today wala kasi talaga akong tulog. At alam nyo naman yun, pag hindi kompleto ang 8 hours ko, hindi din kompleto ang
Glitch po siya.
truth. So, Mami Cooks, where tayo?
Sa may yatay tayo. Yatay area. Ito naman, na-distract naman.
Ay, ito si
Yatay
Archie.
area for dinner.
Yatay.
Parang food stall siya na binibuild nila. I think baka every gabi.
Teka lang, ang dami nangyayari. Nagdi-discuss si Kokoy. Ito, nagtatantrums kasi may gwapo. So, dito lang kami mga bestie ko magde-dinner. Very simple lang. Oh, masama ang loob ni Archie kasi hindi tayo doon. Kasi ayun oh, may baby boy. Dito tayo kay Ate Curls. Give me your feedback so far.
Sarap. The leg is better than the beef tongue.
Pero hindi siya lasang ginawa ng mga 30 minutes.
Tingin nga ng kilay. 30 minutes. Masarap naman yung food though. Yun lang medyo matagal. So, okay mga bestie ko, after that very long waiting period of our dinnering outside the streets, we still are very hungry and we decided to sushiro ourselves. I love it. This is the best decision we made. I mean, look at that mga bestie ko. Oh my God! A table filled with a lot of sushis, a lot of goodness, a lot of blessings. Right now, I'm gonna show you how I devour all the blessings. Ang mga prices for the sushis are 190, 210, 290. Average is 210. And sulit na siya kasi ang sarap talaga niya. Quality and mabilis po ang serving. Opo. Ogo, kunin mo lang. Ayan si Kuya tsaka Joe trying the sushi for the first time. Paano ang sarap? Paano ang sarap? In the ice. Oh. Mami ko and Martha, paano ang sarap?
Water pa lang.
Rating from 1 to 5.
1 to 5? 4.
4, 10. Dates, ayan na po ang mga naubos namin. So far, our bill is 11,870. And our faces is super satisfied. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Breakfast po tayo. And for today's video, kasama ko po ang, ayan, si Madam. At iconic duo. After breakfast, we walked from our hotel going to Hakata Station. Sobrang lapit nilang mga bestie ko. Ayan yung mapa. It took us mga 5 minutes going to the Hakata Station, the main station here in Fukuoka. And from Hakata Station, mga bestie ko, we will be riding the JR Shinkansen going to Kumamoto area. Here's the station situation. Wow, rhymings. Medyo marami-raming tao. So, if you guys are making your way to the JR Shinkansen, again, just read the signs. May, ayan o, Shinkansen. We just follow that. So, 2 tickets, because ito yung ticket, the first one here. Then, yung isa parang resibo or parang andyan nakalagay yung seat number, etc. So, if you booked your tickets in advance, ito yung makukuha nyo mga bestie ko. And mismong dalawang to, yung ipapasok nyo sa doon sa gates. Isasabay nyo. May mga monitors sila here to track kung anong departure time, cars, at saka track number nyo. So, check nyo na lang. For us, wait lang! Yung tour guide namin, si Ate Net. Ang bilis siya talaga maglakad, as in super. Like normally ha, hindi sa iniiwan niya kami, like normal talaga. Dito sa ticket nyo, nakalagay na rin kung anong car number at saka seat. So, we are in car number 4. 8:51 yung departure. 9:40 a.m. yung dating. We will find the 8:51 over here. It's the Chubame 315. Hahanapin natin yung car number 4 since doon yung ating car. Ang car, mga bestie ko, is parang ganyan. Isang basta parts. So for example, this one, ayan, car number 4 to. As you can see, meron namang label. So ang car number 4 from here till, ayan, nakikita nyo ba yung dulo? So that's car number 4. Mga 50 minutes ang biyahe namin. And from this point, mga bestie ko, we have a private transfer that we will be using to roam around Kumamoto. So, tara, I'm so excited! Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong i-expect ko dito. So, let's go! So, first stop here in Kumamoto is, of course, third largest castle in Japan, which is ang Kumamoto Castle. And it's a 5-story building or structure. So, marami-rami daw ang lakaran. Ngayon pa lang, ayan, nagsistairs na po kami. For your information, mga bestie ko, this is the admission fee. It's at 800 yen. If gusto nyo ng may Wakuwakuza, 850. If may museum pa, 11. So update, ilang stairs na tayo, kuya?
258.
Wow. Medyo nakarami-raming stairs na po kami. Wala pa po kami sa castle. That's the castle.
Entrance pa lang.
Entrance pa lang.
8 years ago, nagkaroon daw ng big earthquake dito sa Kumamoto or sa Japan. Tapos, naapektuhan itong castle. Kaya ngayon, under rehabilitation
Renovation.
or...
Oo.
Oh, parang ganun. Pero parang almost complete na. Yung keep daw is complete na. But yung exterior,
Hindi pa.
para ba? Ang lamig pa ngayon
Thank
ko.
you, tour guide.
I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh. Be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh, baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Like, I'm just keeping it straight, cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the way, girl, I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go?
So where are we right now? We are somewhere. Somewhere over somewhere. Walang asa na yung we are here. Nakikita niyo ba, guys? Wala ako ayun. OMG, andito pa lang tayo. And there's a lot of things going on. Ayan na, may pa zoo. May lake with a lot of animals around. So, it's really a big area. I'm not sure how many square meters to. Ayan. It's 650 hectares. Wow. I doubt mapupuntahan namin tong lahat. But let's see kung ano yung kayanin sa oras. Take note, if gusto nyong bumili ng ticket, it's at 400 yen. Gusto nyong bumili. Kung DIY kayo, it's at 400 yen.
You got me hypnotized. Take a shot on the dot. All we got is tonight. So can you go? Cause nobody knows how far we go. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I have a strawberry side on the side next to you.
There are stores outside the park, and one of them is this one. They are selling matcha latte, and I heard yung matcha daw dito is really good, so let's try it. Ayan, may matcha latte for 550 euro. Care of Madam. Salamat po. Biyayain po kayo. Biyayain po ang Cebu Pacific. Thank you po. Guys, don't forget to book Cebu Pacific. Andyan po yung link on my description box below. biglang. So, this is the matcha yaol. Taste test natin. Ito na Cebu Pacific. Libre na Cebu Pacific. Sarap.
Haluin mo na. Authentic soy.
Oo, parang milk umma.
She bought matcha powder.
Gatas na gatas. Libre naman yung Cebu Pacific. Sarap. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at the trees. It's giving pa yellow na. Pa yellow na siya. Ang ganda. I super love autumn. As in, sa mga besties out there na gustong mag-Japan and hindi pa nakaka-decide kung anong period or season, it's autumn, my favorite. Winter din maganda, pero lamigin kasi ako. So, autumn is really perfect for me. I mean, look at that! Hindi pa to ha. As in, mag-yellow pa tong mga to. Ang ganda. It looks so relaxing. I love it. So, as you can see, ayan, what is this park, my love? Kumamoto Prefectural Office, where the Luffy statue is located.
I love it. I'm so very factful. I'm factful so much.
So, baka bestie ko, that's why Luffy is located here in Kumamoto at nandyan yung kanyang statue because writer ni Luffy is actually born in the very wonderful prefecture of Kumamoto. And last 2016, if you could see in the news, there was really a very, very big earthquake. It's very dreadful. And there was a lot of very damages. The damages is so much. And And after,
The statues were
the
built.
wonderful writer, which is very big at heart, helped Fluffy. Ay, Fluffy. Fluffy. Helped the Kumamoto revisions. Yeah.
Basta yun, gets yun na yung mga
Ano yan? Parang
After an hour of riding the car and sleeping inside the car and dreaming about Sushiro last night, charot. We're finally Taray, New Zealand of Japan, Amherst. Ang ganda guys, we are here in Aso Volcano. Maraming mga viewpoints around. As you can see, it's a whole, ayan no, talagang 360 area. You can either go there, you can either go there. Ayan no, yung volcano over there. Then, meron ding Aso Volcano Museum here. May viewpoint over there, viewpoint over there. Ang dami, hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Pangarap kit... Ay, ano yan? Pangako sa'yo. So, ito na po. Nakuha ko na po ang mana ng tatay ko.
Ang tunay na
Pangako
mana.
sa'yo.
Mana nangangatog na.
Ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at ginhawa aking pag-ibig. Basilio! Crispin! Ay, maling movie.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now,
Pangako sa'yo sa hirap at ginhawa ang aking pag-ibig mundi na nano. Pangako sa'yo ipaglalaban ko. Pangako sa'yo sa hirap. Pangako sa'yo sa hirap at...
Stop! Stop!
So, bago kami umuwi mga bestie ko, nag-stop over kami dito sa parang viewpoint. And this is our view lang naman. Everything here is Aso. Wow! Look at that! And this one was used to be an active, parang ito yung crater niya before, but inactive na siya. So, ayan, dyan na lang siya, girl. Mount Comesca, mga bestie ko. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda tignan. I mean, it looks like a painting, but it's not a painting. It's real life, y'all. And mga bestie ko, imagine, during winter, it's snowy. So, mas dreamy yung vibe. So, diba, every season here is actually really depende na lang talaga sa trip nyo. Kung gusto mo ng autumn, if gusto mo ng winter, syempre mas snowy. Sa summer naman, mas greenery. So, di ba? Ang ganda. I love it. Good morning! Our last day here in Fukuoka. So, ayan, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. At ang dami nang nangyari. Nag-check out na kami. Then, we had our breakfast. Then, we loaded our bags to the van. Then, before we head to the airport, meron pa rin kami parang mga medyo half-day tour. And this time, we're gonna be in Fukuoka Prefecture na lang. So, right now, our first agenda is go to the Zaifu Shrine. And medyo marami tayong gagawin dito sa the Zaifu Shrine because maraming everything. Isa na dyan, mga bestie ko, is we are currently here in a mochi shop. And we will try mochi. So, ayan ang mochi, mga beshi ko. It's purple. Is it ube?
This shop is special for the red rice.
Red rice. I'll go, Archie. Oh, init. Oh, syrup. Oh.
It's sweet.
Sweet. Kamusta?
Sarap.
Sarap? Sweet?
Crispy yung labas. Ang loob, sobrang init.
Oo, red beam din yung ano niya.
Spending my time believing that I'm flying like a cannonball. Yeah. What if I'm just concealing that I'm waiting for a star to fall? Won't you do me a favor?
So, if you buy it, dun sa may mismong entrance, they have a paper, then you write down yung birth date and yung name mo, then you put it inside, then, ayan, isabit mo. Ayan na po, i-check na po kung lucky year po ba ang 1995. Mga year 1995, alam nyo na. Comment down below. Ito na po ang ating destiny. Is it lucky? Ah! Ala, unlucky kami, kuya.
95, right?
Yes.
1995. Ano, magsusulat na ba tayo? Mapapabili tayo ng ano dito. How do you know? Like, is it generally or just for this year?
It's
It changed yearly.
Yeah.
So it changed yearly. So for 2025, it's a bad year.
bad luck this year.
Bad luck this year. So trying to reflect my
every
year.
year,
Parang okay
there's
naman
a
yung
four.
year ko lately.
Dynamite, you just blew my mind right now, right now. One more night, baby, come and show me how, show me how. Dynamite, you just blew my mind.
Oh my gosh. Last lunch in Fukuoka. Thank you. Grabe. You saw yung pagka-OC nila talagang... Alright. Talagang nirotate nila perfectly. So, I ordered onagi. Ew, look at that. It's sizzling and it looks so good. Makikita mo yung pagka-savory niya. Ayan o. It's shining, shimmering, is splendid. Hulaan nyo kung anong tower na nasa likod ka.
Osaka Tower?
Tokyo Tower? I'm feeling it. Kakapanood ko lang kasi ng Victoria's Secret. So parang I feel like ang arte-arte ko. No, Victor. Ganun siya. So ayan ang Fukuoka Tower, mga bestie ko. Wow! In front of the Fukuoka Tower, which we will go to later, is the Seaside Momochi. Nakikita nyo na ba yung dagat? That's the beach. And in between the beach and the tower is, ayan, parang may mga parang shops where you could chill around. So, very chill yung vibe dito. Like, ibang-iba talaga yung vibe ng Fukuoka comparing it to Osaka and Tokyo. Fukuoka is talagang very chill, very relaxing. As in talagang, alam mo yun, laid back ang vibe ng Fukuoka. So, perfect siya sa mga tita tulad ko na gusto lang naman huminga while traveling.
Should be easy, why should it not? When all you want is to be loved, is to be loved. But love ain't easy, you taught me that. I let you in, now you want out, now you want out. I don't understand why you hurt me. I don't understand why you wanna let me down. Can't understand. Was it all worth it? You play me good just for a rush, just for a rush. So
Magjowa. Paano yan? Taas pa, mababa pa yung boobs.
Going! Go!
Birthday na ni Maine!
Birthday na ni May!
Birthday na ni Maine!
Birthday ni May! Ngayon!
Get out! Happy birthday, sex bomb Maine!
you left behind. You left behind.
Next stop is the Fukuoka Tower. Let's go! Look at that tower! Oh, para sa Toblerone, no? So, let's go.
Yan, yan.
Wala kang Archie, wala kang naaamoy dyan.
When I saw you for the first time, I knew we were destined to meet. 'Cause my knees went weak, my stomach went tight. Stay there, don't leave. Pull myself together, babe, I'm so shy, trying to find something to say. Whatever I say needs to be right.
We just rode an elevator that brought us up to 123 meters above sea level in just 7 seconds. Wow! Ito lang naman ang view na mawu-witness nyo. Wow! Fukuoka City, ladies and gentlemen. So, ganyan siya mga bestie ko. It's air-conditioned. It's a 360 view. So, meron din sa other side. Ayan ang mga friends ko na lumalaking pabalik. Eme! Ang amats ay, how do you call that circle? Gacha. Gacha pong! Go gacha yourself! 8, 2, 3, ilang yen? 4? 500 yen! Ba talaga amats ng mga to? Oo, go! Yay! Sa mga mahilig sa gacha, comment down below. Let's go! Wow! Facebook Live! Wow! Ano yan? Washi tape. Washi tape. Parang hindi branding nila Kuya Chuck and Joe Itech. Saan nyo gagamitin ang washi tape? Nagjo-journal ba ang Chuck and Joe?
Para kay Cosmo.
Para kay Coco. Ayan, actually ito, branding yan ni Coco. If you will rate 1 to 5, Koy, 1 to 5 rating.
Go!
Sige, back to you, Coles. Anong rating mo sa naku... Sige na nga.
Ano, sorry.
Huwag na tayo mag-try, oo. Sige na.
Sorry naman.
Ganyan talaga si Coco, oo. From 1 to 5, rate mo yung nakuha nila, Kuya Chuck.
Cute siya, in fair. Siya yung
Rate nga eh.
From 1 to ano.
Not easily.
Oo.
4.
Ayan siya, oo.
Pinapressure niya ako.
Tatlo siyang tape.
Washi tape. Cute siya pang
Washi
journal
tape.
ka, gano'n.
Amats na to.
Iko-collect
Kung nakita niyo mo yung mga TikTok or vlogs nitong si Coco, maraming mga washi tape. So, press the button for the color of light you prefer. Hold hands inside the heart arc and touch the sensor. Oo. So, doon tayo sa yellow for Cebu Pacific. Then, dapat 2 personal. Go. Ay, wala. Ayun, nag-yellow siya. Cute.
Dapat dalawa ako.
Oo, cute. Doon tayo sa yellow. Yellow. Go! Ang mga love life. Anong favorite nyong color?
Green.
Green? Okay, green. Go sa green. Ah! So pretty! Aww. Nakakainis. Isa tayo. Go, self-love. Ay, wala. Ayun! Hey! Self-love. Red is love.
Hindi, rest ka din.
Oh, roar. Anger.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Wow! Push. Oh, pak.
So, here in this area, may mga parang love locks pa. Nakakainis. Napaka-sweet. Ayan, oh. You heal my soul. Che. Kwang and you. So, ayun, oh. Sobrang daming mga love locks. It's a lover's sanctuary. Taray! Kung gusto nyong bumili ng, ayan, love lock, it's at 1,000 yen. I'm not sure kung kasama na dyan yung pangsulat or hindi. Ay, hindi pa. Kung gusto nyo ng sulat, ayan. Bibili din kayo. Or tama, ballpen lang siya, no? Magdala na lang kayo. Hindi ko sure. No, kasi parang ito lang talaga siya eh. Last stop for today's tour is Izo building. but specifically in Team Lab. Aside from the Team Lab, marami ding ganap ang EZO building. So as you can see, ayan no, may mga coasters, sliders, ayan no, Sanrio, may pa-cinema pa over there. Ayan no, first time ko siya mga bestie sa Team Lab.
So, pero makaprovide naman sila sa inyo na parang suits. Ayan,
Magpapalit ng footwear ang bestie ko.
So bawal kasi ang boots, yung may heels bawal. So provided naman nila ang aqua shoes. My outfit plus the aqua shoes is not the bag.
Sa loob ka na mag-extend.
Wow! This is my first time. Ganito pala itsura ng Team Lab. So talagang lahat ganito. Visually. So nice. When you touch them, yeah, so when you touch, it's actually interactive. So kung ita-touch mo siya, ayan o, gumagalaw siya. Gusto niya yung hinihimas siya, guys. Ayan o, so it's the whole area. It's really, really big. Foresty. Parang ang vibe is forest or under the water, ganon. Very nature, ganon. Even the floor is illuminated. So, yes! In fairness, mga bestie ko, so far, I'm super loving it. Ang daming mga dots. It's very beautiful.
Marami siyang area na
Di ba
you can
nakapag
do
ano ka
photo
na
spot.
before, Team Lab?
Team Lab dun sa Tokyo. Hindi ko lang maalala kung borderless ba yun. Pero kasi doon, parang mas immersive naman siya. Like, mababasa yung legs mo, mafe-feel mo. Parang all senses, ma-heighten. Parang ganun siya.
Oo, dito,
Planets ba yan?
More on
Dito, more on
the senses.
halo-halo siya
For
actually.
the eyes.
May illumination, may texture, may balancing, ganun. So, maganda siya. Sobrang appreciate ko siya actually. Akala ko nung una sa start, yun na yun.
Oo.
Na parang lights lang. Tapos
True,
biglang
true. Yung pala, ang dami pang mga rooms.
Ang dami photos.
Dami sinasabi ni Coco.
Vlog ko to.
So if you want it more interactive mga bestie ko, download the app para at least makontrol mo yung mga nakikita mo. Yun ang atake. Wow! Para ka na sa ibang planeta! So, ayan ang mga bestie ko. We're finally going home to the Philippines. And of course, we are flying with Cebu Pacific. Ayan ang mga Cebu Pacific besties ko's. Hey! So, pumipila na lang kami. Backdrop siya mga bestie ko. So, take note, before you make pila, kasi backdrop na lang tong line na to, check in on those counters. It's self-check-in. Ayan. Kailangan lang naman dyan is yung reference number. Then they will give you the boarding passes. Then that's when you line up for the backdrop. So medyo maaga pa before our boarding. Sakto mga bestie ko, there's Hakata Food Hall. Tara po at kumain muna. Last Japanese food. We're boarding already mga bestie ko. So this is it. Hindi ko pa po i-end ang vlog ko kasi gusto ko kayong makasama hanggang sa makauwi po ako sa Siargao kasi medyo mahaba-haba pa po ang aking journey going back, and I just also want to share with you how I travel back to Siargao since from Siargao tayo mga bestie ko. So hang in there. Hindi pa ito mag-e-end ang vlog, but for now, ayan, we're already boarding. Bye-bye Fukuoka! In fairness, ang Fukuoka Airport ha. Ang galing, ang linis, ang organized, may shopping, merong food hall, so everything is here, and para talaga siyang very international airport vibes.